This is the Original Crockpot. I absolutely love it. It's very easy to use. You basically just plug it in and then you can add your ingredients in here in the morning, vegetables, meat, whatever you want to do. Put the cover on and then you have two settings, low or high, and then it will slow cook over the entire day or for several hours until then it's ready to go. Perfect for people who don't have so much time to cook. And also there is one setting here for warm so that you can keep your food warm for whenever you need it. It comes with a ceramic bowl here on the inside that can be taken out and is also dishwasher safe. To me, it is an absolute great investment and I can absolutely recommend it.